In this video, I will show you how to add fixtures and patch them. Start the Add Fixture wizard by going to the menu bar, select Edit and then Add Fixtures. This can also be done using the shortcuts Command F on Mac or Control F on Windows. In the first page, you can select the fixture manufacturer. In the next page, you can select the fixture type. If there are different modes available for this fixture type, you can select the correct mode in the third page. If not, this page is skipped. In the next page, you can set the custom name and the number of fixtures you want to add. Then you can fill in the ID of the first fixture. In the next page, you can patch the fixture. If you want to do this later, you can leave the field empty. To patch a fixture, you can type in the universe number, then a dot, and then the start address of the first fixture. Then you are able to create a group of the added fixtures. If you don't want to create a group, you can leave the field empty. Now scroll down the fixture list to see the result. 6 Martin atomics have been added and they are already patched. If you want to change the patch of some fixtures, select them first. Then move over to the property grid. Type in the new patch string and press enter. Patch strings always start with the universe number. A universe can start with an A for ArtNet universes and an S for Streaming ACN universes. If your default universe type is set to ArtNet in the preferences, you can skip typing the A. If your default universe is set to Streaming ACN, you can skip the S. Streaming ACN universe start at 1. The way you type in the ArtNet universe number is also depending on the preferences. If the ArtNet ID mode is set to decimal value, you can fill in any decimal number from 1 to 256. 1 meaning subnet 0, ID 0. If the ArtNet ID mode is set to hex value, you can fill in any hexadecimal number from 00 to FF. 0 meaning subnet 0, ID 0. If you don't fill in more than just a universe, DMXLAN will find the first free address and start patching the fixtures there. If you want to specify a start address, write a dot and then the start address of the first fixture. If you don't want to use the default spacing of the fixture, you can add a slash and the number. S23.101/30 will patch the fixture at the Streaming ACN Universe 23, starting at the address of 101 and space them with 30 parameters. Let me show you some examples. If we want to patch the selected fixtures to ArtNet Universe 1 address 1, we can type A1.1. Since the standard universe type is set to ArtNet, this is the same as typing 1.1. To patch the same fixtures to the first free address of ArtNet Universe 2, simply type 2 and press enter. To patch them to Streaming ACN Universe 1, address 1 with a spacing of 10, type S1.1/10. The patch order is dependent of the selection order. The first selected fixture will get the first address, the second will get the next address, and so on. Furthermore, the selected fixtures do not need to be of the same type. DMXLAN knows the spacing they need and will patch everything in a row. Each fixture also has a field to fill in the location. If you filled in the location, creating groups is a lot easier. The fixture also have a node field in which you can fill in a node. If you have a problem with a fixture but have no time to fix it now, fill in a node and you will remember it later. This is the end of this video. Please watch the other videos for an extended feature explanation of DMXLAN.